always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back on this Thursday afternoon. A little bit of wet weather for a change as we've had a cold front continuing to sink in from northwest to southeast. You can see that that's continuing to bring about some showers, even a couple of thunderstorms as you approach I-94. That activity continuing to drop through Kalamazoo as well as points further south. You can see that we have an isolated cell there near the Indiana state line. Taking a closer look at what's happening now, you can see that we have some pretty heavy downpours east and west along I-94 right now. Hartford receiving some rain. That also extends near Kalamazoo, Portage, Battle Creek. None of this activity is severe, but certainly some heavy downpours in there. And it looks like that'll continue at least for a little while longer as this line continues to drop in. You can also see that we have a few additional showers out there. As we slide the camera, you can see that continuing to affect points near the Indiana state line and then near Marshall. Just east of Ionia, we also have a few scattered showers on the radar. It's one of the spots that actually received the most rain this morning, coming in at a ½ inch. Meanwhile, a few hundredths of an inch in Grand Rapids, Muskegon, Big Rapids, Battle Creek, getting just enough basically to wet the pavement at last check. Here's a look at Drought Monitor. You can see that that shows abnormally dry to moderately dry conditions. So we have had some improvement. We did have a notch of severe drought conditions near Holland. That has been removed as of this latest update. So we are trending in a better direction with precipitation. Hopefully that will continue. Let's get a look outside in Jenison. That displays that we have some clearing conditions. Meanwhile, in Kalamazoo, dealing with some showers in that vicinity. Temperature of 69 degrees being measured at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport as the wind spills in now from the northwest at 15 miles per hour. Temperatures are in the 60s to about 70 degrees. That includes 70 in Allegan as well as South Haven and Holland. 72 the update in Fremont. It is 65 degrees in Greenville and 69 for Grand Rapids. Again, the wind is from the northwest. We have that at about 5 to 15 miles per hour, and that does look to stay pretty strong for today. So if you are planning on heading to the beach, you can see that we already have kind of a chop on the water there in South Haven. Wave heights likely between about 3 and 6 feet. Red flags will be flying at the lakeshore, so that means you're not permitted to enter the water. Frenzy forecast for this evening looks like temperatures will drop from the upper 60s to about 60 degrees as they close out those games. Sunset occurring at 8:25 tonight. Here's a look forward at the upcoming Labor Day holiday weekend. Very quiet conditions, a high of 69 for tomorrow, 73 on Saturday, and then it should become more comfortable with seasonable weather, highs near 80 degrees on Sunday and Monday. So this cold front clips through today. That delivers that chance of some showers and storms. Any additional rain today is likely to line up further south, closer toward I-94. High pressure drops in for the weekend, looks to stick around into early next week, and that's going to foster that very quiet weather pattern as we hold on to some pleasant temperatures and lots of sunshine. Let's go ahead and look at the 8-day forecast here. It shows that our high falls down to 69 degrees on Friday. Overnight lows pretty crisp also in the mid-40s, and it looks like we'll bounce back into some pretty warm territory early next week. Highs near 80 degrees from Sunday through Wednesday.